Out here fishing on Weber Lake, and I haven't caught anything yet, but it's a pretty day, and it's about 6:03 p.m. Right now I'm just letting this line in the background go with I've been fishing for a few hours. Haven't caught nothing yet, but nice just to be sitting out here in a fishing kayak on a lake in northern Michigan. Beautiful. Take a look around. Small little lake, so it's perfect for this type of fishing. But there's a section of this lake that goes down about 80 feet. There's trout here, bass,